Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add a shadow in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log in into your Canva, and if you don't have an account, just Google canva.com and create an account. From the template options from the dashboard, I'll click on the whiteboard blank option. You can choose any that you feel is comfortable with you. And from my Canva working area, notice I have a number of templates that I can work with. I may choose any of the above templates provided here and work with them, but in this case, I only need to upload an image and apply shadow to it. So what I'll do is I'll navigate into the upload tool option, select uploads, and I can drag an image of my choice into this area, or I can upload using Dropbox, Google, or Box. Notice I can also work with videos, and I can also work with audio files. In this case, I will use this image that I have already uploaded, and what I'll do is click and drag into the working area. I'll make it a little bigger so we can see the effect. We want to have a shadow around this image. And to do that, I'll click on the image so that the toggle option shows up, and at the top you notice that we have an edit photo option. I will click on the edit photo option and then faced with a number of editing tools to manipulate my image. I can have effects, adjust options, and even the crop options for my image. In this case, all we need is a shadow. So to adjust that, I'll navigate into Effect, scroll down into the Effect category and select the shadows. Once I select the shadows, I have different shadows that I can use on my image, from the glow shadow, drop shadow, and an outline shadow. So if I click on the outline, you'll notice that the whole border around my image becomes outlined on a shadow. I can increase the size of the shadow so that the image is more engraved into. I can also reduce the blur amount so that the image looks more interesting. I can even twist the angle a little bit just to make sure my shadow looks very nice and sharp. The distance between the image and the shadow from one axis to the other can also be adjusted on this section. The intensity of the shadow you feel is quite high can be reduced a little bit, and even changing the color of the shadow to a different color gradient of your choice. Remember, as you're working with all this, the main outline of the shadow is what is seen because we had selected outline. I can decide to select the drop option and also change some of the settings to make it look nice, and even the glow option, and change a few other options, making it look more intense, more awesome with your image. Well, thanks a lot for following along on how to have a shadow on your image using Canva. If you liked the video, hit on that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next nugget.